everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on Spendee application. If you want to change your password or update your password on your Spendee account, then the process is quite easy. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, tap open the Spendee application from your app drawer. And if you're logged into your Spendee account, make sure you log out of your account. Once you're logged out and you are in the main interface, tap on Login with Email. Now, tap on the Forgot Password link. Under the password box, enter your registered email address for your Spendee account on the next page. Once you are done, click on Reset Password. You will now receive a password reset link sent to you via your email inbox. Tap on Open Mail and select your email service provider. You will then receive an email from Spendee team on your inbox. Tap it open and tap on Reset Password. Select one of the web browsers from the list under Open With and then enter your new password you would like to change to for your account. After entering the new password, enter it once again in the next field and finally tap on Reset Password. Once you've changed your password, you can now close this page and get back to Spendee app and re-log into your account with your email address and then your newly updated password. Simply type in your credential and click log in, and you will then be able to log in back to your Spendee account with the newly updated password. That's how you can easily change your password for Spendee. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.